Hey kids, can you believe it's the 50th day of school? That's right, you've been in school for 50 days. Oh my goodness, I bet before you started school, you couldn't even count to 50. Stop and think for a second something you've learned in your 50 days of school. What did you learn? Wow, that's so cool. I'm glad to hear you've been learning things. One thing I've learned is how to make videos and how to share things with my computer. These are things I never had to do before. It's kind of cool. I get to learn with you too. Well, today, I want to make sure that you have watched the video with Jack Hartman before you started. It's a counting video to 50. So if you have not had a chance to do that, go ahead and do that now, and then come back and watch this one when you're done. All right, now, today we're going to just work through one of our 50s day activities together. This one is on Seesaw. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'll let you finish it all by yourself. So let me get the Seesaw activity up. You should have one that looks like this. It says, "Who am I?" Use the number chart to find what number each sea animal is covering up. So what you see on this page is a chart that starts at 1 and it counts up, going left to right, top to bottom, and the very last number is 50, but some of the numbers are missing. What I do to figure out the missing numbers is I'm going to count some of the numbers before the sea animal and then check with some of them after. So like if I wanted to figure out what the starfish is covering, I might start at this number here. 3, 4, 5. When I count, 5 comes after 4. And I can check it by continuing to count like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It worked. 5 is right. So I picked my pen color over here, and I'm going to write the number 5 in the box. Now, we need to figure out the missing number for the octopus. I don't need to start all the way back at 1 every time. That could take a long time. So I'm going to start at this number 6. It's just a little bit before the octopus. 6, 7, 8. Let's check by continuing to count. 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It worked. Write an 8 in the box. All right, I'm going to do one more with you. Now it's time for me to figure out the fish. Now here's the problem with the fish. There's not very many numbers before it on that line. So I might need to start in the row above to get started counting. I could go like this: 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is the missing number. And then write the number 12 next to the fish at the bottom. All right, now it's your turn. I want you to figure out the rest of the animals by yourself. If you do get stuck, maybe you don't recognize the number before or after the animal, you can ask your parents. Say, "What number is this? Help me count." But when you get to the missing one, I want you to try by yourself. All right? You guys have a great rest of your 50th day of school. I'll see you later. Bye, everybody.